All right. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a Bullish Bears live stream. I am Bullish Bears Kevin, and I'll be your host today. We're going to be making some nice trades. We already went over our trade setups and our trade plans with our community this morning. It is about 5 minutes till market opens. We like to get on about a half hour earlier for our community when we can, just to sort of stay ahead of the game. We want to be prepared before market opens. Right now, we're just looking over some stocks and equities. Make sure you guys join us and join our community, bullishbears.com. Click that join button, and you can pick which type of membership you want to sign up for. Uh, comes with live trading, access to our courses, whole bunch of stuff. Let me just check see if Victoria's back. Victoria, hello, Victoria. All right. Well, it doesn't sound like she's back, but she's also not hot micing it right now. Alright, anyways, going over NVIDIA, right, and I'm looking at this daily supply zone on NVIDIA at 467, and I see this trend line too coming down here, and that sort of makes me think, okay, we do look like we have some room on NVIDIA. Give us a pop, go above this trend line, and reject this daily supply zone, right? But I really do want to be careful with that. I just want to be aware of these trend lines. I want to be aware of the zones. I want to be ready to play and trade these zones. Just want to go over Apple and Tesla one more time because I did just
Right,
start
let's see. How do
streaming.
I run it? Is it just a case of...
And muted again. Oh man, she must have forgot she's in here. Real quick for YouTube, because I did go over this with our members, but I want to make sure it was recorded so people could go over it. Looking at on Tesla, which I did cover in this YouTube video right here. Make sure you guys go leave a like on that. Tesla, I'm really looking for. I want to see us go lower today. However, if we do break this 223 level, I want to see us go to that 230. I do. I do think bulls have a lot of strength behind it. We haven't seen that strong of days on Tesla. Like we've seen like this really strong move, this strong move, this strong move, and then even this some of the days where we sold off were very strong. A lot of the green days on Tesla were especially green because they had some type of gap up. Still nice ATRs, about $4 or $5 moves on it, but sometimes Tesla could really give us like, a $10 move, a $12 move. So I'm really looking for that strength to push us either higher today or if it wants to bring us back to this 214 level. Now if we break down to the smaller time frames, we can see if we have any type of supply or demand down here. Not seeing much, but you guys could see what makes that area of interest an area of interest. Is because look at that. Whenever we come into this, we consolidate or we hold. We consolidate or we reject. We rejected. Here was resistance, resistance. Now it was support. Gonna see if that 214 to 210 wants to hold up as support again. Then there was Apple. We'll go over Amazon after this real quick too. Sort of see this trend line coming up. We're making this decreasing triangle pattern and coming up into this 1 hour supply zone. So really keeping an eye on Apple to reject this 1 hour supply with this upper trend line that we see on the hourly. I think we even see it on the daily too. You look at that huge, huge, huge falling wedge, right? So with that being said though, if buyers want to step in and just completely break through this zone like it's not here, we're going long. Longs, bulls are taking it, calls. Like we need to break. This is a strong, strong area right here on Apple. So above this 177.88, I want to see 179, 180. If we reject this 177 area, 177.30, I want to see us move lower to maybe, let's see, any zones, maybe this 174 area. And the way I found that 174 is it was this gap, right? And a lot of times market will go over specific zones and levels again. So let's start it back here so we can sort of see where it lines up. Stick it on there. And yeah, if we look to the left, this was a gap zone. It filled this gap, rejected back upwards. It was a zone where it was resistance, resistance, support for a second, support, resistance, resistance. So this is a bit of a strong area, this 173.91, and that's how I find my key levels in my areas, is by looking for opens and closes that line up with other opens, closes, highs, and lows. Got market is opening in just a minute, so I'm going to get that back up here for us. Let's get ready to rumble. Where we at on everything? Where we at? Where we at? Rejecting this trend line right now on ES. Nasdaq's making that lower high. Want to see where VIX is at. VIX is at this trend line that makes it look like it wants to push down. So yeah, I'm definitely thinking bears are lining up here. I do want to see this 4-hour supply zone though on ES. Morning YouTube, good morning, good morning. Let's check out that 4391 level. Yeah, 4390 is super heavy on the book map. All right, there we go. Good pump, good pump. Wanted that pump in the morning. Nice, strong move, strong move. I'm worried for Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I did not want it to break above this supply zone, but it looks like there it is. But I did want ES at this 4-hour supply, so maybe we'll get a Nasdaq reject at this area of interest up here. But super strong pump at the open, guys. Really good stuff. Apple rejecting the 1-hour supply zone right now. The trade setup I'm looking for. Short off the 4-hour, target the 30-minute. It's almost a 3-to-1 risk to reward. If we buy more into the zone, it becomes a 3-to-1, right? See how that works? The deeper into the zone we get, the tighter the stop becomes. The better the entry, the better the risk to reward. Strong moves, definitely strong moves. I'm not going to scalp this higher. I do think we will go higher from here though. Apple with the nice move. That is pretty clean. Definitely considering it. Yeah, Apple's super strong right here. Coming up to that key level and trend line right now though. Nice moves. Definitely considering. Alright, so Apple's at that key level. I'm not grabbing any long positions because it's too wishy-washy right now, right? I had my trade set up. I had my plans. My plans are shorts at the supply zone if we want to fail it. And I'm going to stick to my plan. We got 2 minutes left in the 5-minute. I'm going to stay patient. That's what I try to preach and teach to you all. This is no reason to jump in. Microsoft right there. Microsoft's ripping and rolling right now. And guys, check out Apple. I'm going to show you guys Apple. Look at that. Right at that key level. 177.25, 177.30. Trying to reject. I just want to check, see if Victoria's back, guys. Victoria. Victoria. That's crazy.
Thankful for maybe.
She forgot the market's open today. She joined, forgot the market's open. Alright, so Microsoft pumping away. Tesla with some weakness. It is above that 223 level I was watching. I do want to see if it could come back and close it within this area and then close back below this 220. That's what I'm looking for a short confirmation on Tesla is below 220. It's about $3 away. Apple rejecting that area of interest, trying to pump back up. Amazon filled its gap and is trying to go back higher again too. Microsoft just pumping away. Meta's trying to go lower to fill the gap from from last night's Friday's close till now, but it is not getting there. See that? That's why I didn't want to grab a long position and try to scalp it longer, because that wasn't in my trade plan and the market could reject sooner, right? And I don't want to be in a long position because I think it's going to go higher. I'd rather be patient for a short position that I created a trade plan for and that I followed my plan. So now we got Apple pumping right back up to this key level. Let's see if we want to break it and go higher. There we go, Apple. Good stuff so far, guys. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are all doing well and had a fantastic weekend. Alright, new 5 minute. Let's see what's going on. Look at that rejection of this trend line right here. That sort of does make me want to take a short position on ES and put like my stop at the previous candle's high. But again, though, that wasn't a trade plan that I made pre-market. That's not a plan that I'm going to take now. A lot of equities look very strong, so I'm not going to take this trade. This could be a nice trade, though. Almost a 4-to-1. Maybe if we want to bounce back higher for a second. Especially because now that I'm looking at it, we got Apple rejecting this key level almost perfectly on this candle. Look at that, the high of this candle, 177.30 so far. Nvidia closed inside its area of interest. Tesla's trying to push lower. I don't know. I feel like bulls want to bring it to up here, so I don't want to jump the gun on this position, right? And these are some things when we're trading and when we're making our trade plans, we have to be asking ourselves, is this a real trade plan, or am I just making up a reason to jump into a trade? Should I really be taking this trade, or should I be patient? Should I chase? Should I not? Do I go full size? Do I go half size, then scale in? You know, do I have 2 take profits? Do I have 1 take profit? Just a bunch of stuff you gotta ask yourself. Apple pumping right now through this key level, coming up to its trend line. Look at that. See, bulls are stepping back in. I bet this candle on ES ends up popping higher. We'll watch that right now, yup. But then there's that trend line on NASDAQ, right? But I'm not seeing this trend line going, oh, well, that's a trend line, we have to go short on NASDAQ now. No, because before we pump through it, we could pump through it again. So I'm going to stay patient. We do have Apple at its trend line right up here, this white trend line. And that's a strong one that I want to see us reject as well. But see what NASDAQ's breaking right through it, right to the top of the area of interest again, breaking right through it again. ES, I'm expecting it to break back a bit higher too. Got the VIX sort of chopping around. So now we do have a bit of divergence, right? We have NASDAQ made a higher high than the high it made Friday at 3, whereas ES made a lower high from that same time. So we're keeping an eye on that. We're just watching that. We're just being patient. See that? Told you guys this candle's gonna flip green on ES because of, look at all that buying pressure. NASDAQ was stronger because of that divergence I just mentioned, and it popped super strong. Nice move right there. Apple broke its supply zone and has now created a new high a day again. Broke its trend line, broke its key level, broke its supply zone. I'm going to look for it to hold up here for this candle close. Then I'm going to look for a retest. We're going to look for areas to enter. We're going to find some long positions depending on where this candle closes for us. Nice. Jeremy's killing it in the chat right now. Nice pop on NASDAQ. Any bookmap users out there? I've been throwing bookmap up on one of my charts. Okay, so there's that area of interest and that trend line on NASDAQ. Being careful right now. We got a minute 20 left. Really strong move on NASDAQ here, guys. Love that. Look at that NASDAQ. Go, go, go. Let's go. Apple new high. Let's go. Tesla strong off its area. Look at that. Nice move right off that key level. Told you guys I want to see 230 on Tesla today. I think buyers are stepping back in mean business. So we're going to let this candle close and we'll maybe look for a long position depending on how this candle closes. Strong drop on the VIX too. Breaking its overnight range. So probably going to be looking for a long position. Equities are very strong. Check out how the advanced decline is moving. Advanced decline has been dropping though all morning. Advanced decline is currently negative. Be aware of that. Maybe the NASDAQ for long positions if you're looking to scalp some longs, but advanced decline's been pushing red on ES, so be careful. And we're at this trend line on NASDAQ too, and this area of interest. This might be a good spot to go short. Yeah, I might partake in some shorts on the NASDAQ up here in just a second, guys. Try a short somewhere up here. Look at that, sellers are stepping in. Love it, love it. Microsoft trying to pop though, be careful. Maybe short's not the move here. I'm watching this, I see this area of interest, I see the trend line, and I don't want to fight the trend though, because it's been very bullish, it's been very strong, right? So again, things we have to ask ourselves. Amazon's making a new high a day. Microsoft just made a new high a day. Apple's pulling back. So it's like, do I really want to go short here, or is this just a bit of a pullback before we pop again? So again, I'm just going to stay patient. It is an area where I would consider a short because of the trend line and the area of interest. But I'm going to stay patient. Amazon popping strong, Apple popping strong. Sort of considering a long position on NASDAQ at this point, but because we're rejected, I don't want to do that. Oh, no way. Let's see, guys. Amazon 140 key level, 140 rejection. See if it wants to break above it and hold. Microsoft, a new high a day again. I don't know where NASDAQ's going without its equities. Nvidia's pretty weak. Tesla's pretty weak. Other than that, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft's popping, man. Popping. 2:30 left in this 5-minute. I'm staying patient. I might look for a retest of this key level right here before I go long. Look at that drop. Alright, alright. Shaking some bulls out before we continue? Or are we gonna sell off? How's that 1-minute chart looking? I'm looking for 15,224. Okay, nice drop, nice drop. There's that 15,224. Breaking through it right now. Breaking through it, not taking any positions yet. Bears stepping in. Look at that. That was a good area to get short up there. Damn. Damn. Had that mark too. That's alright. That's alright. It's Monday. We shaking it off. We're getting into the swing of things. Best part about trading zone, you only need a few good trades a week, and if you're sizing properly, you're good. You are good. Chopping right now. Chopping. I hate that I have to zoom in so much for that. Oh, you know what? It's weird. Alright, 2 seconds on this 5 minute, right? Bears clearly took that. Bears are in control. We're rejecting a trend line on VWAP. Definitely considering a short here. Staying a bit patient though. Apple broke above its area of interest, broke above its trend line, came back, retested the trend line. I'd be careful taking any positions right now. Looks like it could really go both ways. Amazon another new high day. Only thing really weak right now is Tesla. Amazon new high day again. Microsoft's about to make a new high day. I feel like bulls are going to want to take this back up. Apple strong, Microsoft new high a day, Amazon another new high a day. But ES is trying to drop, VIX is trying to drop. Hard for me to go long here on anything. Market is very sort of imbalanced right now, right? Everything's doing something different. I like things to be congruent, confluent with each other, if I'm using that word right. Meta new high a day. But now we got Amazon with a big rejection off its high a day. Alright, let's see. Look at that pop. Good bulls, go. Apple failing its high a day. Ooh, big rejection on Meta and Microsoft and Amazon. Like that. Apple, boom, big new high day on Apple and Amazon and Microsoft right now. Microsoft up 350 from its open. Apple is up $2 from its open, nearly $2 from its open. Strong market right now, guys. Bulls have been bowling. Did we break? We did break previous day's high on NASDAQ. Ooh, coming up into an area of interest on Apple while it's making new highs again. Really do want to consider a long position here, but Tesla's bringing us lower. We're chopping around right now. We're really chopping around. A short position would have been great to take up here at this trend line, but you know, we're just chopping around right now. Apple rejecting an area of interest I had at 178.55. Rally, base, rally on Apple. Could continue. Bulls are really trying to step in here. Bears are trying to step in here. ES much weaker than NASDAQ right now. NASDAQ much stronger than ES. Apple, nice rejection off that area. Just staying patient right now. Definitely like that bear continuation here. I want to see VIX looks like it wants to push back lower though, which is bullish if VIX is pushing bearish. But we shall see on that too. Nice move on the bears. Really nice move. Gotta think of all the buyers that are trapped. So now we have ES is breaking some previous lower pivots while NASDAQ did not. So we have 45 seconds left on that. I'm staying patient. I want to see what's going on.
My computer should be.
That is crazy how long Victoria's got this hot mic going for. Apple pumping back up. Definitely considering a long position depending on where this candle closes on the NASDAQ. Where's VWAP? There's VWAP. Wet ass volume profile. That's what it stands for. Alright, we got 5 seconds on this. I want to pump back up for a sec. 3 seconds. I'm not going to get the candle I want. Nope. Do think we might pop here though. I don't know. I'm being patient. I'm still sitting on my hands right now. Apple looks good to continue. Microsoft looks bearish. Meta looks bearish. Tesla looks bearish. Amazon is bearish. Apple at that area of interest again. Yeah, bears might want to continue on this one. But I'm staying patient. I'm not jumping
Yeah,
in.
plus,
Yo.
yeah, we have look above and fail, so yeah, it's gonna be tougher.
Yeah. Would you call it a look above and fail?
Yeah, I'm just looking at other support and resistance like overnight highs and prior day high and
Gotcha.
stuff.
Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely thinking bears are going to want to continue here. But the thing is, every time buyers do step in, we do get a strong move higher. Maybe I'll look for some type of lower high, something up here, some type of rejection off this trend line. The ES trade plan still is 43.9150 for a short position. Really want to see that trade play out. That would be a double top on ES and divergence with ES and NQ if we failed exactly up there. Nice pump on Apple. Apple's such a great leader and a great like clue to watch if you're trading NASDAQ. Tesla trying to push lower. What a fight between buyers and sellers today. Quite the Monday. See, we got a few new people in here. What's going on, Trader Steve? Good morning, hello, and welcome. Thought I saw a few others. Is that Nina? What's up, Nina? Pablo, pretty new here. What's going on, man? Somebody else's name with an S. It's not showing me their name, but good morning, hello, and welcome. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are learning something from our streams. Nice rejections on Tesla, Meta, Apple rejecting this area of interest again, making me think bears will want to take this lower. Yep, there we go. Nice move lower. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I'm not in any positions right now. I'm staying patient, probably looking for a short position on NASDAQ at some point. I'm more of a fan of letting candles close. One of the rules I follow as a trader is I like to let the candle close so I can see exactly like what's going on, because hindsight's always 2020. Gonna see a bounce here. Right, said we're gonna see a bounce here. What we saw a bounce there. Why did I say that? I said that because I saw Apple tried to push back green on this candle. Amazon was green. All these candles that were red started to push green. And again, too, that's why I wait for candles to close. If I didn't wait for it to close and I took a short down here, well then I don't know. This could close up here. And then I'm going to be automatically in a losing position when this candle closes, and I won't be able to really measure a good risk to reward on that. 20 seconds left on the 5 minute. Just staying patient. Hey, somebody used the journaling tab. Nice. Love to see it. Alright, 6 seconds until this candle closes. Sort of a rally base, drop base drop. Makes me want to take a short right here, but I'm going to stay a little patient. Apple looks pretty strong. Equities look strong right now. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I could take a short here, but I feel like that'd just be throwing money away. I don't like that risk on that. Yeah, see. Told y'all when Apple rally-based rally, that Apple looks like it wants to continue. I want Bulls to take us back up to 4391 on ES. No, Apple with a strong fail right now. Definitely considering grabbing a short position at some point on this candle. It's a bit difficult with the previous candle we had such a wide range. So I would think either to grab a short position up here with a stop at the previous high, or just let this candle close too and grab the next candle lower. Because if we want to drop base drop, we'll have this drop candle will close somewhere over here, and then I'll take the next candle, and the next few candles shouldn't be continuation candles. VIX looks like it wants to pop out. Equities look really strong right now, though. That's the only thing holding me back from taking a short position at the moment. Everything but Apple. Now everything switched. Before everything looked bearish except Apple. Now everything looks bullish except for Apple. Maybe that's a clue. See, we get a little pop here. Nothing's really near its new high a day, though, so that's definitely something to take in as well. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a short entry here. I'm gonna go like very light. I'll let you guys know when I enter. I like that pop. If we pop previous candles high, though, I'm not taking this short. Nope. Nope. We'll wait. Trading's the waiting game, guys. If you didn't know that by now, you better know. Nice pop on Apple. Again, everything switched. Everything went bearish. Apple went bullish. We're chopping around. Just chopping around right now, guys. We want a clean trend. When we trade, we want trends. Victoria. Victoria.
Jan, start.
Hello.
Yeah, I've been looking now.
That's crazy. Alright. Meta, nice pump on Meta, Amazon, and Nvidia. Check out what the 15 minutes doing. Check out what the 30 minutes doing. So see, those are important candles to watch right now. Look at the wicks on those. Look at the ranges on those. Huge. I want us to close under this key level on the 30 minute. What are we doing? What are we doing? There we go. So I'm going to look for a short position up here somewhere, anticipating that we close below this key level, and I'm going to have my stop loss like really, really close. So I'm going to go a little heavy on this because my stop loss is so close. So we got about 50 seconds left. But if it does pop and stay up there, I'm not taking this short position. Right now, it looks like it might want to pop. Oh, yeah. Ooh, Tesla right off of key level 2. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna wait. Just wait, wait, wait. This is like, how many points? What are we looking at right now? 16 points there, 20 points there, 35 points there. Alright. Yeah, I'm probably shorted on this next candle. Gonna see. If it pops strong though, then forget that. Apple looks ready to pop.
Morning, everyone.
Yo, morning Ricardo. What's going on, bro?
Nothing, man. How are you?
I'm chilling, dude. Waiting for this market to crash. What can I say?
What a bull run last week, huh?
Yeah, that was crazy, man. I was not ready for that. I'm not taking these shorts here, guys. No way. Bulls are too strong. Considering maybe a long position on NASDAQ here. Take any trades yet, or you just getting on?
I'm just getting on and just looking at all the market right now.
Nice. Nice pop right there. Staying patient here, guys. See that, guys? How my bias kept switching up, but I stayed out. I did not want to get caught up in a chop. I didn't want to get caught up on the wrong side. I didn't want to chase. I like this area where we're wicking off of up here, this 15,224, 15,228 on NASDAQ. Gonna let the next few candles sort of chop around, see what's up. If we could close below this 15,228, I'm gonna look for a short position near these wicks. Let's see. 3 minutes left on this 5 minute. If we're looking at the 15 minute, how's the 15 looking? How's the 30 looking? 30 looks like it wants to be a basing candle for a sell-off, guys. That's why I want to be bears. Okay, I don't want to miss this move, so I am going to look for a short position up here if we get back up there again. I'm going to stay a little patient. I'm not going to grab it right down here while it's moving. Don't want to jump in front of a moving bus. I'll do that later. Let's see. Good bears, good bears. I like that. That would have been 20 points from if we entered up here. So again, I'm looking for an entry up here. I want us to drop around another little bit, but equities are looking weak right now. Microsoft's really weak. Apple's really weak. Meta trying to bounce off of VWAP. I'm staying patient, but I am looking for a short position. I'm going to mark that previous 30-minute low, so we know where it is. Hourly, oh man, the hourly too looks like it wants to be a basing candle. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be grabbing some shorts soon, guys. Obviously missed the good entry up here, but that's okay. We're cool. We're chilling. This thing's gonna sell off like crazy. Give us that bounce. Bounce with me. Let's trap him. Ooh, damn. It did that to trap people hitting sell limit. Fill you right down there. Good bounce. That's what I want. I don't like that Vix has been chopping. I do want Vix to break its range too. So again, I am being a little extra careful on the trades today. Still looking for a short position on NASDAQ. 30 seconds left on this. It's bouncing up. There's a big bounce. Glad I waited, right? That's why we stay patient. Definitely thinking of grabbing one up here, just to start the position. But I'm gonna wait. See, I don't like those bounces. Got any news today? Does anybody know?
Do you like that white screen?
It doesn't matter what I like. Nah, yeah, I like it. I like it. You like it?
No, not a big fan. I use the dark mode.
He's like, no, not at all. Switch it now.
I didn't say all that.
You didn't have to. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get these short positions in just a sec. I want to get them when this candle's green. I'm gonna be going short NASDAQ. Give me a pop. It's not going to. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Come on, do it. Oh. It's alright, I'm waiting. Think about it too. If it wants to wake up and stay in this range right here, well, that's not good. This is what, a 20-point range? Yeah, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna grab some shorts. I'm still waiting for this candle to go green a bit. I want to get some shorts up here. And then I'm gonna let myself have a stop way up here so I can add to my short position up here if it does run against me for a little bit. Because I do like that 30-minute and 1 hour closures. So where we at? Where we at? Microsoft popping pretty strong right now. Good, give me that pop. Pop it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Nice. Good pop. Good pop. That's what I like to see. Microsoft new high a day.
I got out too early.
Were you in long?
Yeah, just a scalp.
Nice. I'm not taking any shorts yet, guys. I feel like this... we're just chopping right now. I feel like I don't want to chase a trend that's not going to happen. Can't force it. Can't force a trend. Where we at on Apple's rejecting that? Well, you know what? Alright. We get one more little push up here. I'll grab a short. I'll throw some limit orders out right now. I just need that VIX to start popping too, though.
There's an awful lot of candles with long wicks below their bodies
I see
on the
that.
ES of 5 minutes.
I see that. Same with NASDAQ. They're both very, very wicky right now. So I'm going to sort of hold out of this short position just because I don't want to be in a position just for the sake of being in a trade. Preserve capital. Take the higher quality trades. Trade near your zones and your levels. I should have took the trade up here near this key level. It was really clean. Victoria, are you back? She ain't back yet. Victoria. That's crazy. Another thing too, if we weren't closing above this key level, then I would have no problem taking these shorts on the 5 minute. But we're not closing below it yet. Oh, we might now. I like the weakness on Apple and Microsoft. Give me one more pop. Chop City. Jeez, the chop is real, guys. The chop is real. That's why we don't chase. That's why we wait. I still like the 30-minute to go short and the 1 hour to go short, though. What was that? Yeah. Alright, guys, give me a second. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna keep the 5 minute up for you. I'll be right back. Wait. Nope, now it should be working. Yo, what a drop. That's crazy. I'm waiting. That would have been my first take profit there on NASDAQ. That 3 hour key level. But I'm waiting. I do like these bears to continue here. I want to pop though. I want to come back up. How's that 1 minute looking? Okay, now we're gonna bounce. Hold up. Hey, let's see, let's see. What's up, what's up, what's up? Damn, bears went crazy on this candle. Exactly what I was looking for too on the 30-minute. And on the hourly, where's that hourly? Yeah, yeah, that's clean. Yeah, we're gonna have a nice, I think we're gonna have a nice move today, guys, to the downside. I'm just waiting for a good entry. I don't want to
You
see.
are approaching your supply area on your trade plan on, not supply, demand on your trade plan for S&P.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Seeing this momentum and the selling pressure though, especially on Nasdaq, I don't know. It's hard to not trade with that.
No, unless it's an exhaustion bar or something.
Yeah, I want to give us a bounce here. Where are we at? I'm waiting. I'm not getting in yet. Obviously, you would want to short on some type of bounce like this, because you don't want to short down here. You want to short on some type of pullbacks. But I'm gonna sort of wait on this. Yeah. VIX 2 is having trouble making new high a day. Damn, look at that pop. Snapback.
The dollar
Nice.
made a new high today and is pulling back a little right now. So that reflects exactly to this last moves that we saw.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for a short around 15,200 on Nasdaq.
Now the dollar breaks here again, then we see another quick dump.
Nice. Nice pops on Nasdaq here. Sort of doesn't
It
makes
came
me
into
want to
the
stay out.
200s, but
Yeah, there we go.
oop,
Yeah, I'm waiting. That pump was too
we're,
strong.
we're back at the open at Nasdaq. So
Mm, this is a pretty good spot to go short if we do continue bear trend. Let's see. I'm waiting. It looks like we want to pop again. I don't know. Need one more little push higher. Alright, I'm gonna grab a short there. Tight stop. Entry was not where I wanted it to be. Microsoft new high today. And pop up to VWAP. Oh my goodness. Well, that's what I get. I'm going to, what are we doing here? Minute 58 on this candle. I think Microsoft's going to reject this high. I'm going to take another short position on this. Stop at this candle's high. If this 1 minute candle wants to rally base rally, though, I'll get out of this. Not a fan of the 1 minutes, but rather be safe than sorry. Oh, don't do it. It's about to. Yeah, that looks like it wants to pop. I might get ready to reverse this. if this candle doesn't drop right here. Alright, we're waiting. I'm still in this short. I'm waiting. 30 seconds left on the 5 minute. Apple getting a little weak. Microsoft rejecting that high a day. Apple pumping. Seven seconds. 5 seconds. We need bears to keep us lower. Bears are struggling. Bulls look like they want to step back in here and push us back higher. Staying a bit patient right now. Need VIX to start bouncing higher again. Nope, not liking that for bears. Probably gonna stop out of this. Definitely not a fan of it for the bears right now. Yeah, Apple looking like it wants to go strong. There's a nice rejection on Apple. That's what I want to say. But it's rejecting just to pop again. So still not a fan of that. Need Apple red on this candle. There we go, Apple. Need Microsoft to reject too. It's having trouble rejecting. Definitely trouble in this area. There's no exact like, oh hey, we're obviously going to go down, we're obviously going to go up here. We're very choppy today, so it's almost like we're obviously gonna chop around here. Like you go long
With
here.
JP speaking 3 times this week.
Who?
JP.
J-Pal? Nice.
Yeah, he's scheduled to speak 3 times this week, right?
Nice. That'll be fun. We're gonna get a pop here maybe. Yes, with the little pop. Yep. I'm not stopping out NASDAQ yet. About to. Microsoft new high a day. But now we're coming back up to where we were wicking around before. Nice pumps. There's that key level coming up right now. Nice pump, nice pump. I'm gonna add to my short position right here. This is where I originally wanted to enter shorts. That's why I added to my short position. Nice rejection on Apple. See if that was a bit of a bull trap. Nice.
Apple's making a bull flag about the Grill app.
See, I felt like that was a bear flag.
RTY is reversing lightly.
Nice.
It's been leading the pack on the downside. We finally got some confluence between NQ and ES. They're moving very, very alike right now.
Took it long enough. 40 seconds left on this 5 minute. Apple looks like it wants to go. Microsoft and Meta look like identical today with the crappiness of the chop. Nice drop on Apple right there. Check out those shorts. Nice, good stuff. 20 seconds left. Let's see if we get a nice drop here. Still in these shorts, guys. I didn't stop out. I added up there. If this closes a small green body, I'll add to it. Did not. I'm not adding to it, but I'm staying in it. I feel like I should add to it. I'm not going to yet. Do you think this is gonna work out though, guys? Keep an eye on these shorts. And again, another reason I was looking at this is because of the 30-minute and because of the 1 hour as well. We're keeping me very bearish. It looks like they wanted to give us some supply zones right here if we want to break below and hold. There. The 30 was right there. Break, go, go, go. There we go. Alright, let's see, guys. Be careful. Chopping around still. Apple trying to hold above VWAP. Yes, and NQ back below VWAP. Oh, Apple with the pump. The video looking pretty weak though. Same with Microsoft and Meta. Just be patient on this, guys. 3:20 left on this 5-minute. Popping up a little bit. Apple with some strength. But nothing crazy yet. Oh, that's a strong move on Apple. Need Apple to start rejecting that. Apple with a really, really strong move, guys. Microsoft's really weak, though. There we go, Apple. Start rejecting that. I'm not adding to this. We're too choppy, guys. I wouldn't say see profit, take profit type of market, but definitely be careful. Do want us to continue lower here. Apple strong again. Yup, there's Apple. Apple making its way downtown. Stopping people out. Let me see if Victoria's back yet. Victoria?
It used to bug me a lot. No, I just can't.
Victoria?
'Cause if you say anything, that is a direct.
Nope. That is something, man. Question is, are buyers popping for a second, or are buyers just gonna completely flip here? Oh, I like that drop on the VIX. For bulls, though, I don't like it for bears. Needs to be careful. Apple leading the way right now. $40 left. Apple strong, Microsoft weak. Amazon trying to pop. Meta pretty strong. Tesla pretty strong. 25 seconds left. We need sellers to step in now, and they are not. Got any news today? I don't think we have any news today.
We might see some move once the Europeans get out of the way, man.
When did you say
Closing
noon?
now. Might see some moves now that the Europeans are closed.
Yeah, I think bulls are taking this, guys. I'm staying patient. I'm still in it. It's just crap action. Yeah, VIX going high, lower. VIX new low today. ES is not near a new high today at all. Staying in this for the moment. Apple trying to push strong. Tesla, Microsoft, Tesla strong. Microsoft's pretty weak last candle. Now it's trying to pump on this candle. Again, there's a lot of imbalance. The market doesn't, there's no continuation. We're just chopping around. Market's just trying to stop people out at this point. Stop hunting. Check what the 15 minutes doing. Check what the 30 minutes doing. What are we doing on the other time frames? What's the 1 hour doing? Do we still have time to push back lower? What's mainly keeping me in this trade is how that higher time frame's looking right now, but we're not seeing much continuation, and that makes me want to exit this trade. Should have had some strength by now. Not chop. We're gonna go up now and stop hunt some bears. With the VIX dropping like this, though, I mean, I really want to take this long. Equity's getting strong right here. Staying patient. 2:30 left in the 5 minute. Damn. Bears ain't messing around, bulls ain't messing around. Meta new high a day. Tesla not even close to new high a day. Nvidia under VWAP and rejecting. I'm staying in these. Apple strong. Meta strong. Microsoft's eh. I'm still in these shorts. We're waiting. Gonna check out what Bookmap's doing. Bookmap's pretty heavy, around 43.83 on ES. Yeah, minute 15 left. Depending how meta closes too will be a big sign for me on whether I want to hold this or exit this. I want meta to reject these highs right now. I don't know if it's gonna rip this candle. It might if Apple does. Which it's struggling. There we go. Apple struggling to go lower, but struggling more to go higher. Staying in these 15 seconds. Might bounce around again in another little bit. Yeah, I mean, what time is it? Just like staying patient now, but not liking this for the Bears. Again, I do think we should have had that sell-off and continuation already by now. I'm just gonna hold on this candle, see how this works out. We still have been making these lower highs, so I suppose it's still possible. Stop loss at this high right here, 15,222. It might stop hunt that level though. It's probably gonna stop hunt that level, I should say. Need Apple to start selling off, but it's just keep trying to pump higher. And again, that's what's keeping us going higher on NASDAQ. If Apple doesn't give, NASDAQ ain't gonna give. Tesla 2 looks pretty strong here. Yep, there's the pop. I do think it's gonna hit that previous candle high too. There it is. Apple area of interest right now. I'm not stopping out of this just yet. Nice rejection. Told you guys it's gonna stop hunt that previous candle's high. That's exactly what it did. Look at the 1 minute. Up and down and up and down and up and down. I used to like the 3 minute. Never was really a big fan of the 1 minute.
I think Al Brooks trades the 2 minute.
Nice. Coming back up to this high. Bears are failing. I am considering reversing this. I do think we're going to take out that previous candle's high again. Did we break that? We did break that previous candle's high, so yeah, I'm going to wait. Now looks like it wants it again. VIX is just dropping away, which is just crazy bullish. I don't know why ES isn't flying. If we hit that key level again, I'm going to add to this short. Apple pumping. I'm not trusting the bulls right now. I guess until we get above these previous wicks, I'm not trusting the bulls. Obviously, they're much stronger than the bears right now. Yeah, there it is. That's where I'll add. Right. One more little move. us? No, right. Yes. See, what I do is I'll add up here, but I'll keep my stop loss crazy. Nope, not adding up there. Nope, that's crazy. Holy cow. Whoa. Alright, out of that. That's crazy. Should have listened to the VIX. I've been doing that lately. Lately, I ain't listening to the VIX, and it's definitely biting me in the butt. Gotta listen to her. She'll always tell you what's up. Even if we were like getting longs all the way here, still would have paid off. Maybe we'll reject this trend line again. It's gonna say scalp some longs here. Gonna pump.
We're forming a doji on the daily right now for SPY, so
Nice.
who knows which way we're gonna go.
Up. We're gonna go up.
Okay, so we're bears today then. Let's go bears.
Yeah.
You let me know if we're bears or bulls.
Yep. We're waiting on ES to get to this 439,150 level. That's what we are. We're patient today. Sort of want to take this on NASDAQ long, but I ain't going to chase. Apple new high a day though. It's clean. Yeah, Apple new high a day again. Yeah, I really like this on the bulls. Give me a pullback, let me go long. Ricardo taking them Jeremy schmooves, nice.
Yeah, I seen him read the doji there, so I was just waiting, and then I saw the break, and then I just scalped a nice $20.
Nice.
Move.
Dope, 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 bro. Yeah, part of me wants to grab a long position down here on NASDAQ. Another part of me is like, definitely do not chase. So we just staying patient again, guys. We wait for the setup. We take the setup.
Yeah, because we're like at the high of day right now on SPY, so
Yeah.
who knows what's gonna happen? It can go. We need some more confirmation. Like there's large wicks here, but
Microsoft rejecting right now. Yeah, I'm telling you, these bulls are going to take it again. I like this, maybe this trend line again, though, one more time. Maybe we'll double top up here on NASDAQ. Bears don't cares. Minute 15 until this 15-minute candle closes. The 30-minute looks like a rally-based rally, though. So that makes me feel a little bullish on that. Maybe we'll see if we get a retest of this key level and go long. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Retest of this key level, go long on NASDAQ. See if Victoria's back.
Yeah, I agree. I'm the same.
Nope. That's so
Oh,
funny.
she's got a hot mic.
Yeah, she's been hot micing all morning. She's on the phone with somebody, it sounds like.
That's hilarious.
Thank you. I thought I was crazy for finding it funny. Yo, look at that rejection of this area of interest to a T. I'm really looking at this key level to hold. Apple looking weak, I don't know. Not chasing longs now. That was a pretty quick and strong bearish move right there. Apple at a key level and below it. Look at that. Bears, 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 bears. Bad news, bears. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? It's the high of this candle. 15246. 15246. Look at that exactly. Getting chopped up, chopped up. Nice sell off, nice drop. Let's wait, be patient.
Definitely overtraded today because now it just broke even.
Ah. Alright, so you're saying dark is better?
For me, that's just me.
What do you guys think? Everybody
You do
in
whatever
here,
you want.
you guys let me know. Either say it in the chat or let me know.
Because the white is too bright on my eyes. I always use dark mode for everything.
Yeah, that's originally why I did dark.
Same here.
Yeah.
I like dark. White is so difficult on the eyes.
Yeah.
I just think there's a bunch of zombies in this group.
That's really funny.
Brains.
That's really funny.
Well, let me tell you, if they're looking for brains, you're going to starve on my end. So good luck. Go get Jeremy or Kevin's brains.
You don't want those. They're out of stock at the moment. Give us what? Give us something. I want to get my key levels and stuff from TOS onto TradingView, so I could just switch back and forth like that. I feel like would be easier. Sort of want to go long off of this view app right here. But minute 45, I'll let the candle close. I'm not going long on this red candle. What am I, crazy? Ah, see, that's why not. That is why not. Let's see, 30-minute. 12 minutes on the 30-minute. Really need that to start pumping like now. 5-minute. Let's see. Tell you what. We'll go light on a long position right here. No, we won't. I'm not doing that to us, guys. It sort of feels like we might want to go back up. Just rather let the candle close. I will not go long yet. 30 seconds. I wanted to pump back up and give us a hammer candle right here. 20 seconds though. Does not look like he wants to give that to us. VIX popping. Another thing to keep an eye on, guys. VIX has popped one candle and gave us a super strong drop, whereas VIX was dropping all of these candles, and it took till the final big drop to finally give us some type of move. So that sort of tells me VIX is more bearish. The moves are stronger to the downside. Let's see. Apple, a little bit of a pop. Getting weak. I'm waiting for a short entry right over here. Get ready for these shorts, guys. I do want to pop first. I want to get a better entry. Apple did make a higher high though. And it made a higher low. So again, really just sort of waiting here. And waiting in Chopville right now. Population us. Let's see. Not taking it yet. What are the Bears doing? They don't know what they're doing. Oh, see VIX trying to drop again. Giving us a pop again. I like this area we're rejecting on, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna start a light, not gonna do it. I was gonna say a light short position right here on NASDAQ is where we're rejecting, but equities seem pretty strong. I don't want to trade against them. But we're also at VWAP on ES. I'll start a short position up there if we get up there one more time. Yeah, I'm waiting for a short position right up here, guys. Let's see. Unless we want to blast right through it. I'm watching Apple right now, see how Apple reacts. See, and I don't want to grab a short because it's a tight stop just because it's a tight stop. Alright, starting that position. Very light size. Yeah, see, I'm going to stop out immediately. Bears are not winning at all. My basic bear setups that I go for, not working out lately. So I gotta take note of that, journal it, and fix it. That's it. Just gotta know how to adjust.
We were bulls pretty much last week, and we were bulls this morning since the open market last night. It seems to still want to be bulls.
Yeah. Yep. Absolutely. $50 seconds left on the 5-minute. See if Bears want to be able to hold it back lower again. If they can't, I'm out of this. There we go. Bears coming back in. 15 seconds on the 5 minute. I am going to add to this in just a moment.
Are you long or short?
Short. I added right there. I don't think it's gonna work out though. These shorts really haven't been doing anything. I'm going very light lately when I trade. Yeah, shorts just aren't working, man. Still in it. Need Apple to start dipping right now. Apple's trying to make new highs though. There we go. Meta looks pretty weak. Same with Tesla. Nvidia had a strong candle last 5 minute candle. There we go, some weakness on Apple. Good stuff, good stuff. YouTube, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. We do appreciate it. 3:14 left on this 5 minute. I'm staying patient. I do think bulls might want to take another shot at this candle though. Yeah, now the bulls are gonna take over. What do we got? I'm staying patient. 2:44 left on this 5 minute. Chopping around again, guys. Market's having trouble. I know bulls are gonna take this back over. Microsoft red, Meta red. Amazon trying to hold 140 key level. Needed to push through that. Amazon bouncing. Not a fan of Amazon bouncing at that key level right now. They're the bulls. So like I said, new bulls are going to take back again. Might reverse this. Bulls look strong. Just waiting though. I'll let you guys know. Still in it. 54 seconds left. I like that bulls haven't taken control until now. $30 on this 5 minute. I want to see rejection here. Bulls might step in and close this candle green. I don't like that VIX is trying to drop again. Part of me is like, you should listen to VIX this time.
All right, I'm gonna break even. I'm out of here.
Alright, get it, man, get it. Catch
All
you
the best. Good
soon.
luck, guys, in the market today. Thanks, Kev.
You too, bro. Be good. We're probably gonna see a pop right here. It looks like it wants to. I'm still in these
Hopefully.
shorts.
Well, hope you make some money, man. Take care.
Appreciate it, bro. Be good. Yeah, if I'm looking at VIX and ES2, it does look like we want to see a pop here. Do you want to see Apple start to reject, though? Nope, Apple popping. I'm reversing. I'm in longs, guys. Whoa. Flipped on me real quick there. I think that might have been a bull trap. I'm reversing again, going short. Stop loss very tight, but I do think bears are going to take this. Damn. I'm keep going against my own trading plan, and that's what's messing me up. I don't like the strength Apple has. Apple trying to make that new high day again. Really being careful here, guys. We're gonna see it pop. It's gonna go some direction. I wanted to go bears because we're rejecting that key level, but I feel like bulls want to take control of this. I like the rejection on Apple right now. $50 seconds left. I need bears to step in right now. And they're not. I'll just be a bull forever. Come on, start dropping on us. 10 seconds left, guys. It's got to give us some type of move here. It's going to pop. Of course it is. Could scalp this long. This will give us some good move. Vic's trying to drop again. Does look like it wants to give us a move higher. Apple trying to pull back. Nice. You alright? Alright, I gotta get going, guys.